This is to every woman who ever doubted me. Look at me now. I'm rock climbing in Colorado.
Oh, look at this snowman. It's so nice. Oh! The freak! Roll down. See if you can roll that down. You got it. That one's for the boys. I don't know, we just pulled over and we're like, should we just rock climb this? That's what we're gonna do. Oh, he's already knocking shit over. It's a lot steeper than it looks. No, you don't want to do that. Go right off the cliff. Shouldn't be too hard to get to the top. I just like how it smells out here. It just smells like fresh, like pine. Just walk through it. I didn't even do anything. I just literally stepped over it. You wanna go first? I see a perfect way up. Nasty. Yeah, if you climb to that direction. Dude, you're so much tougher than my friend Steve.
Why?
Right now, he'd be like, I don't know about this.
No, shit usually scares me with these rocks. These are nice.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
Maybe
Like,
a little tricky.
I would go more to your right, maybe. Like walk down that way.
Oh, what the hell?
Mosquito.
I literally did not see this.
That's what I'm saying, to go this way so you could like.
Oh, dude, wait, this is golden right here.
Is it?
Just a walk up.
Nice.
It's a little wet here. Be careful.
We see a cougar, dude. Just so you know, he's going for your throat first, or your face.
I'm gonna say we know again. Fuck that cougar. I'd be fucking cougars all night, alright. This ain't my first rodeo.
I would lean forward and grab onto this shit and go this way. Or yeah, walk up that if you think that's better. It looks scary what you're doing. Just take my hand.
Scared?
It looked a little scary. All right.
It's crazy.
Oh my god, right in my face, you bitch.
You were doing that for me last video.
Fuck, you're right.
That's me and Darren.
Fuck. No, Darren was doing it to me. And I was like, and I said, oh yeah, that's what I was doing to Brian last week. You nasty fuck. Fucking smacked my GoPro with that part. Yeah, Steve would have never, he would never climbed that. Whoa, be careful right there, bro.
Why?
Are you on the edge?
There's a little staircase.
Yeah, but still. You slip right here, you're dead.
Whoops.
Yes, a sec.
Oh no. I want to see a fucking video. I'll go up to it, bro. If we see one, take a picture with it.
You gonna go up to and pet it?
I'm down. Fucking ride with some bitch.
For the video.
This is steep as fuck.
Ooh.
Over here looks cool. I'm gonna jump.
No, don't.
Do you consider this a mountain or a hill?
It's a mount, bro.
How big is Mount Everest compared to this?
Way taller. 28,000 feet versus like we're at like 10,000 right now.
Fuck. Where is it here?
No, it's in
Antarctica?
yeah. No, it's in like India or Nepal or something.
No way.
Yeah.
India's hot there, bro.
No, in the mountains. Not 28,000 feet. Not as high as an airplane.
Guys, this is how to climb like a real man.
Yeah.
Any rock you see first, you have to do that. Like I see that rock there. I'm gonna hold on to it.
That one that looks loose?
It's a good one.
That one looks loose, bro.
Oh, it's actually not, but I was trying to prank you.
Yeah, be careful. It looks slippery.
No, that's all Gucci game.
You'll be rolling if you fall. Just so you know. You'll be bouncing down this mountain.
Look, I'm shaking. Guys, I'm Steve.
Oh my god, you Steve.
Ah!
I don't think this is a good idea.
Dude, this is gonna be a Steve hate video.
Oh no. Rock climbing, talking shit about Steve. No.
There's always... Did you talk shit about Steve in a video yet? You haven't done one on me yet. Or
No.
Dardon.
No, I did about Joey a couple times, I think.
And Evan.
And Evan, yeah.
You gotta do it on all everything.
So this video is gonna be rock climbing X talking shit about Steve. Usually when I'm climbing stuff and I'm like, all right, we should go that way and that way, everyone kind of just listens. Steve kind of always just questions it. He's like, well, I don't know if we should go that way. I'm like, come on, bro. Trust me.
I mean, at least he's not letting somebody, lead him into his own death.
True.
I don't know,
For all
if
he
you
knows, I
told
might
Joey
be doing that.
If you told Joey to jump off right now.
That's been my plot all along, is to fucking lead Steve into his death. For views. I already told him that. I already told him that's why I really bring him on adventures.
I would too, honestly. He was honestly one of the coolest people.
No, I'm just kidding.
Honestly, Evan, I honestly hate him. I bet none of you guys have ever fucking met a rock band singer in your life. But you know what? I fucking have. You know how bad that sucks? It fucking sucks.
It's Evan Dubats.
Every Christmas, he's not even a part of my family. He's still just fucking...
How much on your head?
We don't know who the fuck invited him.
Yeah, right. He just shows up. He lives down the block.
He's singing the shittiest songs, too.
We still love you, Steve.
Well, fuck you, Evan.
Oh! We still love you, Steve, even though you're a little bit of sissy, but you're getting tougher, bro, and honestly...
I love you, Steve. I fucking hate you, Evan.
I'm proud of you, Steve, honestly. Don't even let this video bring you down.
You hear that, Evan? Mason's not even helping your ass.
Sorry, Evan.
Hey! Viewers want a view.